It is the dawn of the second century for America's national parks. Some important species of fish live their lives in both the ocean and fresh water. Salmon, striped bass, sturgeon, and others live most of their lives in the ocean, but return to freshwater to spawn, a migratory behavior that has evolved over millions of years. Human development such as dams and roadways can have a dramatic impact on these species by blocking migrations and destroying habitats. Modern science has helped us understand the impact of dams and water culverts on habitat damage and has led to effective ways to restore fish migratory pathways. The restoration of these pathways has far-reaching implications for other species, including birds which prey on migratory fish.
We've learned a lot in the last 10 years about obstacles to natural movement of fish upstreams. A good example of that would be culverts. And so we have a program to identify where the obstacles are and to remove those as quickly as we can to reestablish natural movement of fish.
At an 18th century dam near Acadia National Park, Ranger Bruce Connery discusses strategies for restoring migratory pathways.
So if you go out anywhere along the eastern seaboard, you'll find ways to get fish from the ocean into fresh water. And this is one of the various ways that actually uses a series of steps that comes up and makes an S-turn and then goes into a freshwater pond.
Periodic fish counts at these ladders are used to determine species abundance and trends.
The species that we count here are alewives. They're part of the herring family. This population had fallen to less than 1,000 fish. Last year it was over 35,000. So the efforts to help make the fish way better have actually resulted in fish increasing, and that's how we're recovering the population.
As scientific studies have created better understanding of the benefits of protecting important habitats, restoration projects have been undertaken across the country. The removal of 2 dams on the Penobscot River, Maine's largest watershed, helped to restore the habitat of endangered salmon and other species while providing other recreational and economic benefits. What will the future bring for America's national parks at this dawn of a new century? Perhaps Abraham Lincoln had the right perspective when he said, "The best way to predict the future is to create it."